Those were some words of wisdom. Music for the sick you just heard. Now before I start fucking with my third album, I gotta take me a little let me talk some shit break. So I can say fuck you, and motherfuck you. But last and not least, I gotta thank everybody that supported me throughout this motherfucker. And you know who you are. And I gotta say motherfuck those that didn't support me and talk shit out their ass. But I finna cut and do my third album. All my love to my daughter, my wife, and my family. And if you don't respect that, then motherfuck you and whatever the fuck you live for.